Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on the XY guys. What are we expecting on the XY? Before I do today's analysis on the XY guys, I would like to do a quick recap on the XY. So what are we predicting on the XY? If you're watching my previous analysis on the XY, I think this was not there yet. This particular one wasn't there. I drew this trend line right here just to state that we are on an uptrend, right? I think we were around this area right here, and I said that we might come down to this my 23% fib level to react around that area before tanking to the upside, because I saw some sort of like an impulse, a correct that started rejecting around my 50% fib level. You can see we had the rejection around 50% fib level, so I was predicting some sort of like a push, continual push to my upside to take my TP negative 27% fib level, which we see is 104.317, right? But as you can see that the market did not move to the upside. We started rejecting around this zone right here, started pushing to the downside, finally came to around my 61.8% fib level, right? Then continued to tank to the upside, even despite the fact that it went up, it hasn't really gotten to my target yet. So now we're just gonna delete all this one and just reanalyze DXY based on the current price market. So let's delete this ones right here. Let's see. I'm gonna delete this trend line because I'm gonna readjust the trend line. But like I like to do top down analysis. Let's go to a bigger time frame and reanalyze, right? Just like I've mentioned in my previous analysis, right? This we came up here to fill in this break of structure right here, right? It came there to retest it and fill the break of structure. So no candlestick, no momentum of candlestick yet that solidified our bigger move. But remember, this is the weekly time frame right here. So this is our weekly time frame. So now let's go to more smaller time frame to see if we'll see anything that justify, right? Even we can see right here that we had this breakout zone right here. Sorry, we have this trend line right here. We have this breakout zone right around this area right here, but we can see that the candlestick forming has no momentum. There is no momentum on the candlestick forming right here. We can see that we have this zone right here, which is a significant zone. We rejected on that zone multiple times, and we are currently around that zone as well. So as long as we did not break below the zone with like a solid engulfing candle, that I'm not kind of predicting it to push to the downside, right? Because as we can see that we came to this zone right here and we've been breaking around that zone, so it has not really solidified yet that we are breaking to the downside. So there is no huge momentum of candlestick that states that, or that shows that the momentum is currently on a sell. Apart from this candlestick right here is the only thing that is showing at the moment of how of a bear momentum. Apart from that, the remaining candlestick has been indecisive, as we can see. So let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to my 4-hour time frame and see. So this is my 4-hour time frame right here. I'm seeing some sort of like this W pattern right here. We can see if I draw a zone right here. So if we draw a zone right here, we can see this W pattern, also known as double bottom, which we know that's a reversal chart pattern. So that is what I am seeing currently. So I'm predicting some sort of like a push to the upside right now. So we can draw a trend line right here. A trend line can be drawn. So let's draw this trend line right here, we can see based on the trend line trend, we can see that we broke this zone, we broke this trend line right here. So we can also do a mini trend line right here as well. Do that as well. Then we can draw a mini fib from point A here to point B. Just for us to see what we have looking forward to right now. So based on what we are seeing right now, right, let's go to my 3-hour time frame and see. We can see that even on the 3-hour time frame, I am seeing a momentum of bar. We can see that this candlestick closes above this trend line right here was an engulfing candle, and we still have this, even this other candlestick right here still has a momentum of buy candlestick right here. So I certainly see momentum of a buy candlestick right around that area right here. So now what am I predicting on let's delete this one here. What am I predicting right now? So there is a momentum right here that we can be wary about, which is right here. So we can see that on this candle zone right here, we've had multiple rejections around this zone, multiple rejection. The candlestick went above this candlestick right here, and now it's pushing down. So I'm predicting some sort of like a push down to this zone right here to give us a retest. So we'll be seeing something like an impulse, a correction of some sorts for a continuation to continue to push to the upside. So that is my prediction as of right now on DXY, guys. So let's adjust this one, but let's go to more smaller time frame and see. So that is what I'm still seeing right now. I think we might still come down here a little bit to touch my 38.2% fib level. We might start rejecting around that area to push to the upside. Let's go to my 1-hour time frame just to see if we see any. So that is what I'm predicting, but we know the market can do whatever it wants to do, because I see a possibility of a drop into the downside too. So we might see continue dropping down here, retest, push down to maybe my 61.8% fib level, reject around that area before tanking to the downside, and give us also a possible third surge of the trend line. I see that also happening, and that is because we can see that I'm seeing this sell momentum, right? This candlestick is giving me sell momentum. So there's still a possibility that it might break this 38.2% fib level to get to my 61.8% fib level to give us a touch of this trend line right here before pushing to the upside. That's a possibility that I'm seeing right there. So I'm just going to write my scenario. So if you push to the upside, certainly my target is my 27% fib level, which is around this area right here, which is 316 will be my TP. So I'm predicting some sort of like a push right here to push to this upside right here. And my other scenario, just like I mentioned, is we might still push down here, right, to get to this level right here. That's a possibility that I'm seeing. As of right now, this is what I'm seeing, guys. And remember that this my negative 27% fib level aligned with this imbalance right here. We have this imbalance that needs to be filled as well. So from here to here has an imbalance that needs to be filled, and we can see that we might just push to this level right here. Then how it determines how the markets move around my negative 27% level will determine if we're going to continue to push to the upside or downside. And if we continue to push to the upside. Then my second target to certainly be round around this area right here, 557 will be my next target. But that's for like a long run, so I'm not that much into that aspect right now. But this is my current what I'm looking into right now. So let's just wait and be patient. When the market comes down to my 38.2% level, the way to react around this area will determine if it's going to continue to push to the upside or probably tank to the downside. Then when we get to my 61.8% fib level, let's see how the market will react, and will determine if it's going to break structure retest and continue to push to the downside, or we might see a possible rejection and push to the upside. So that is my quick thought on DXY, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and I will see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.